And we're back to learning Inkscape in here, day 69. Let me show the auto smooth function for nodes. You can see this as some kind of reset. So if we use the nodes tool here on this line, I can create a curve. And if I double click right at this point, we're gonna get a node that has, I don't want to say the perfect angle, but it has a balanced angle. Showing you can use the first functions here to adjust the handles. The second connects them. The third one makes them have the same distance. And here the final one is the auto smoothen. This also repositions the handles. As I've said, it's more like a reset. Whenever you get lost, that's a good function to try. Or whenever you want to have a clear arc, a clear curve. Right here, for example, I can use it. And then you can be sure that the angle is balanced out from left to right. It's a little bit harder to explain, but when you try it a couple of times, you can see how it adjusts both angles so that they basically have the same angle on each side. And therefore you have this perfect arc, this perfect roundness there. That's kind of calculated based on the end and start nodes. One more thing, you cannot use it on a start or an end node. So this can only be used on the center node. So to each side there has to be another node for it to work. But it's a good function. Once again, when you get lost, you've overdone it a little bit, get back to this and then try again. And also when you have this perfect roundness. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.